Yay, honors class! So I have a special video for honors class. I just want to try a couple of extra complicated problems, and then just give you another tip on how to solve log with one base. Log only one side. Okay, so this is still like part one. This is the one where it's exponential, so you have to change the logarithm and then solve it. So, but it's a lot more complicated than the previous video that I made. So this is K, number one, K. Ooh, there are so many things. Do you see 4, 2, 7, 59, and X? Wow, we need to find the right order. We are not just changing to log right now because there's so many things that you can just simply make it disappear. So first, yes, that's 7. No need. We can make it clean, make it short, get rid of all that if you just subtract the 7. 59 minus 7, that would be 52. That's the first step. Now what? It's always opposite of PEMDAS, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. When you're solving, we're doing the reverse order. So divide. So then 2 to the x is 13. Now, when you have just the exponent, just the base, and then number on the other side, that's when you go log with base 2, 13 equals x. And that part, yeah, just put in the calculator. Math all the way down to the log base. Put 2 in the base, 13 there, so 3.7. So one more. Should we do one more? And I'm sorry about the color keep changing. I don't know why. It's like blue, then it becomes white. I think my camera is getting tired. I made all the other videos all in one day. So, is there something to add or subtract? Yes, there is. 1158. Is there something to divide? Yep. I like how when I use document camera, I can play with different pen. 1158 divided by 2. Sorry, I'm not good at doing mental math. There. Now you have just the base, just the exponent. So now we should change into the logs. Log with base 8, 579 equals 3x. So, come my trusted calculator. Log base 8, 579, 3.059. So I'll just call it 3.05 3x. And then the last part, divided by 3, divide that by 3. So here, use that, divide 3, enter, 1.019, 1.019. So it'll be 1.02, since we have to round it. So there, that had subtracting, dividing, changing log, and then dividing. So 4 steps. So that's why it's honors class worthy of question. And then this is part 2. And then, so if you watched our previous video, I said, well, change into the log. And then you know how we say guessing and checking? Sure, you can guess and check. I mean, that will work. But because you guys should know this next part for pre-calculus and calculus, I want to tell you this. If you have a 5 for exponents, and if you want to get rid of the 5, you need to raise to the power of the reciprocal. So if you don't want 5, raise the power of 1 over 5. Why? Because then 5 and 1/5 cancel out like that. So it just becomes x. Because you know how you multiply the exponents? So then in the calculator, you put it as 7776 to the power of 1/5. 6. You see? So it's not really guessing and checking, it's raised to the power of reciprocal. Can I spell reciprocal? Yeah, raise the power of the reciprocal. So let's try one more. X to the 4th is 81. Okay, if you don't want that X, move my space. Okay, if you don't want that X, raise the power of the reciprocal. So 1/4, 1/4. 4 times 1/4 is 1, so that's gone. 81 power 1/4. Enter! 3! You see how we did not have to guess? We can just do it without guessing. So that was just a special trick for honors class. All right, bye.